Hello guys, are you ready to start coding with Python? In this video, I will walk you through the entire process from downloading and installing Python on your computer to setting up a Visual Studio Code with the essential extensions you need. By the end of this tutorial, you will have everything set up to write your very first line of code. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to get the Python installer. The best and safest place to do that is the official website python.org. So we will search python.org. Go to the download section and you will see a big button, the latest version for your operating system. Just click that. Download Python 3.1.13.7. Okay. Once the installer is finished downloading, go ahead and run it. This is the most important part of the entire video, so play close attention. Okay, I will minimize the screen. Okay, so you can see when this window pop up, you will see a checkbox at the very bottom that says add python.x to path. Okay, you absolutely must check this box. If you don't, you will run into a lot of problem later on. This simply makes it you so you can run Python from anywhere on your computer. You have to click install now. Okay, once the installation is complete, it's time to verify that it worked correctly. So go ahead and start your command prompt. Now type python minus sign and version. You will see your Python version, that is Python 3.13.7, which is my version. Okay, so we have correctly installed our Python. Now let's move on to the next step, setting up our code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, now we need a place to write our code. We are going to use Visual Studio Code or VS Code for short. It's a free, powerful, and very popular code editor used by professionals all over the world. So if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can just go to my description and get the link to download the Visual Studio Code. Okay, after downloading, you have to open the Visual Studio Code first. Okay, once you have installed and opened VS Code, you will see a screen like this. Now, we need to install the essential extensions to make coding with Python super easy. On the left side, click on the extension icon. It looks like four little squares. Okay, so this is fifth icon and we will download our Python extensions. In the search bar, type Python. Okay. Okay, so the third one, which is Python, here we have to download this one, which is done by Microsoft.com. Okay. The extension adds features like code completion, error highlighting, and debugging, which will make your life so much easier. After it's installed, let's create a quick test file. Go to the Explorer icon, okay, the top of the sidebar, and click on New File. Okay, you have to make a new folder, or you can just create a new file like live file, and new file. Okay, and you have to type, let's call it hello.py. Okay, it will create a file. Sorry. Okay. After the Python is installed, let's create a quick test file. Go to the Explorer icon, which is here at the front, and click on New File. Here we can click on New File, which is New File, and we can type hello.py, which is our file name for just testing. Okay, you have to save this file. Okay, create file. Here it is our file. You can see that this is the symbol of Python, which is actually correct that you have downloaded your Python correctly. Okay, we'll test now. VS Code will automatically ask you to select your Python interpreter. In the bottom right corner, you should see a prompt. Click it and select the version of Python you just installed. This links VS Code directly to the Python you have. Okay, here you can see your code. Here is the Python 3.13.7. Okay, okay, now we will just select it. Okay, and we will just check our code. So our code will be print okay, print hello tech ninja. Okay, this will be my code. Okay, let's run this now. Here it is your run button in the top right corner. Here you have to run code from this, and you can see done existed. Yes. Okay, so your code is running successfully. Okay. Once your extension is installed, let's create a quick test file. Okay, go to the Explorer icon. Okay, where you will see two options. You have to select open folder. You can create a new folder or you can use your existing folder. So I am going to create a new folder. Testing. Okay, here is my folder. Okay, and now we will create a new file that is hello.py. Py we use because it's a Python extension. Okay, so let's check. We will print okay our YouTube channel name hello tech ninja. Okay, so here is our code. Now to run the code, you have to go to the top right corner this and you have to select this one run code. Okay, okay. So after writing our code, we have to save our file by doing Ctrl+S. Okay. So then only you will able to get your answer like this. We have to now run and you will get your response which you have written hello tech ninja, hello tech ninja. Okay. So our Python installation and VS Code path is successful. Thank you for watching the video. And that's it. You have now installed Python and set up your development environment. You are officially ready to start your coding journey. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button to let me know. To become a true tech ninja and continue learning with me, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below with what you want to build with Python first. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.